In this video, I will show you how to remove Recycle Bin from desktop Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So on Windows 11, as you can see, we've got the Recycle Bin up here. So I'm just going to drag this into the middle. Now, if you actually try and right click, you're going to see there's no option to kind of remove this or anything. If we actually go ahead, click onto it and press delete, as you can see, it doesn't actually remove the Recycle Bin. So it is still possible to remove the Recycle Bin from your desktop. And to do this, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to the bottom to your toolbar, right click onto the Windows icon, and on this menu that comes up, you want to click onto settings. Now what it's going to do is load up your settings window just like this, and what you need to do from here is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto personalization. Now on this window, what you want to do is look for themes just down here and give that a click. Then what you need to do is just scroll down slightly, and underneath themes you're going to see desktop icon settings. So what you want to do is click onto this option, and what it's going to do is load up a window like this. Now from here, all you want to do is simply go ahead, and I'm just going to move these screens across. So as you can see at the top, we've got desktop icons. You can see the Recycle Bin is currently ticked. Now if you actually untick this, and what you want to do is come and click apply and then OK. As you can see, the Recycle Bin has now been removed from the desktop. Of course, if you want to add this back to your desktop at any point, it's the same sort of process. So what you would do is come into settings, personalization, come down to the themes section, and then look for that desktop icon settings option just down here. Then all we want to do is go ahead and tick the box and click apply. And what that's going to do is re-add the Recycle Bin onto our desktop. So that is how to remove Recycle Bin from desktop Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.